All right, we are making no-bake cheesecake. All you do is have your cream cheese softened. Okay, just making sure mine's soft enough. Then I'm gonna add my sweetened condensed milk. All right. I would have to say sweetened condensed milk is one of the best inventions ever made. And then our lemon juice and a teaspoon of vanilla. Whoops, hold on. Some of my lemon didn't get all the way mixed up in there. Okay, there we go, my vanilla. Oops, oh dear. This is Tara's cooking show. What can I say? All right, then we have our pie crust. You can use a homemade graham cracker pie crust. The recipe is in our Dining on a Dime Cookbook, Volume 1. If you want this no-bake cheesecake recipe, it is in our Dining on a Dime Cookbook, Volume 2 on page 304. The link to get it is in the description below. It's 25% off right now. All right, there is crust. Oh, did I mention that I really miss cheesecake since going dairy-free? This is worth making myself sick over. I love cheesecake. Okay, now we're gonna put this in the refrigerator for several hours and let it set up. So here's a little tip for those of you who don't know. Take this off, turn it over, and then it has a lid if you need one. Isn't that handy?
Yeah.
All right, there we have our no-bake cheesecake. Yum. Now we're gonna take and add the cherry pie filling on top. Jack said, "Mom, you're making cheesecakes?" I said, "Yes." "Oh, when do I get to eat them?" I said, "Well, you don't." Poor guy, his hopes were devastated.